In front of me is DUOQIN F22 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and click on all of your pictures you wish to add. If you can't find them here, select folders, look for a photo in one of those sections. By clicking on those three lines at the top left corner, you will see all of them, recent images, downloads, or one of your apps. Clicking on a folder and then to add a photo, tapping on it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!